SVA. What the heck?
The National Weather Service has issued severe
That just came out of nowhere.
effective until 11 p.m.
Bro, what?
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey, Hudson, and Warren. Remember,
Only 2 counties.
Storm watch meaning that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including
Dude, that just came out of nowhere. What?
and close to the watch area.
I'm so confused.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
Bro, what the heck?
remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements including large hail and damaging winds. To know weather radio,
It's on KZZ31.
radio and television outlets. Severe weather may not be imminent. Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and
Dude, that just came out of nowhere.
stay tuned to know weather radio.
What the heck?
Radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Dude,
Repeating, severe thunderstorm
What?
watch number 484 has been issued.
that randomly came out of nowhere. What?
In the following counties in Pennsylvania, Monroe and Northampton.
Monroe, Northampton. Dude, what? That's crazy.
Thunderstorms late this evening. Showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight.
Bro, what?
Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles late this evening and overnight.
I'm gonna turn these on.
For Sunday,
Dude.
southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots.
Boy, what?
Seas 4 to 5 feet. Occasionally just
I don't understand.
wave detail. Southeast 4 feet at 7 seconds. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the morning.
Dude, that literally came out of nowhere. How is that possible? Like, literally.
Becoming northwest after midnight.
I'm so confused.